guys, welcome back to the Dom McCord YouTube channel. So, update on Purple. So the head gasket did fix my issue with the water and the oil. So that's good. But I took off last night. I came up to Benton, Tennessee to pick up a load of water on a short run just as a test for the truck. Going back to Lawrenceville, Georgia, and I got up here last night, shut the truck off. I had an 8 a.m. appointment this morning. I shut the truck off, went to sleep, cranked the truck, and I've got 0 oil pressure. So that means my oil pump has decided to take a dump on me. So luck is not on my side right now. So now my wife is on the way to pick me up, the good woman she is, and she's gonna pick me up. I'm gonna go home, pull the oil pump out of my other engine, and then I get to come up here and change an oil pump in the parking lot. So that's gonna be really fun. I am not looking forward to that, but we'll get it done. Last night the truck was running great, had great power, water temperature was great, oil pressure was great, and they just decided to give up on me. So, you know, I shut the truck off immediately when I noticed, you know, that the oil pressure didn't come up when I started the truck. I always watch my gauges as soon as I start the truck and make sure that's happening. Oil pressure sitting at 0. And so I thought, well, maybe the gauge is messed up. So I got out, took the oil pressure line off, going to the gauge, disconnected the ECM so the truck wouldn't start, turned the truck over a couple times, and yeah, there's nothing coming out of the oil pressure line. So yeah, I get to change the oil pump. I had to talk to the customer here, let them know what's going on. Luckily they have a big parking lot. It's open 24 hours a day. They said it's fine to leave the truck here. I had to call my broker again and tell her, hey, I'm here, but I can't pick your load up. And that really sucked. So sorry, Lisa. I'll get it fixed and we'll get right. And so yeah, the oil pump is behind the front cover on the engine. So that means I've got to pull all the dampener, the front pulleys, the belts, the fan shroud, the front motor mount. I believe the water pump has to come out because the oil pump and the water pump drive each other. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to it, guys. I thought I was good, but it turns out I'm not. So I'll get out here in a minute and I'll get y'all a view of Purple sitting here dead in her parking spot, and I guess we'll go from there. I'll try to film getting the other oil pump out of the truck, out of the engine that's in my garage, and we'll go from there. But I just wanted to give y'all an update. But yes, the head gasket is fixed. and that problem is done, and now new problem has seriously arisen. So, but as always, we'll get it taken care of, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Alright guys, well there she sits with a bad oil pump. I mean, she's got 0 oil pressure. So yeah, you can't really see anything, but underneath the alternator there is the water pump. Behind the water pump is the oil pump. But enable for that to be accessed, the whole front cover has to come off. Bottom motor mount down there has to come off. So that means I'm gonna have to block the engine up just to get that front motor mount off, and you know, whatever else I gotta take off. Like a lot of the stuff I won't have to put back on until I get home. Like I'll do a quick, get it swapped, get the truck running. I'm not gonna put the AC compressor back on. I'm not gonna put the accessory drive pulley back on, any of that stuff that I don't have to get home. And then I can address that stuff when I get home. But it's gonna be a job. It's gonna be a job, and I am not looking forward to it. Purple's never let me down until recently, so I can't really complain too much, but it's cost me a lot of money in the last week, and now costing me even more. So it's not a good deal. Hopefully these people here at Crystal Geyser will have patience with me, because I really can't afford a tow bill, and hopefully I can get it out of here in the next day. Oh, purple. What's up guys, I made it home. My wife, the lovely lady she is, came and picked me up, bless her heart. I came back here and I rented a pallet jack so I could get my extra engine out of the corner of the garage to get to the front cover so I could pull that oil pump. I did get that oil pump pulled. It looks good. There's no play on the shaft or anything. I'm pretty sure the other oil pump's probably still good, but what happened is over time, I think from the torque of the engine turning over and stopping abruptly, the gear actually strips out the shaft, and then you've got a gear that's just, you know, spinning on the shaft eventually. So that's the only thing I can really see that could go wrong with one of the oil pumps, other than the O-rings around it. So the oil pumps really, they just work like a screw blower. There's a gear on either side, on the inside, and the big gear on the outside, and it spins the two gears on the inside together, and basically that creates a suction like a screw blower does on a race car. So yeah, I'm dreading what I've got to go do tomorrow. I don't know that I'll even be able to get it done in one day. The people up there at Crystal Geyser, they were very kind and said, yeah, just take your time, things happen, and they let me leave the truck there. I know it's safe. They're good people up there, and I gotta get my butt up there in the morning and get it figured out. So I'll show you. I'm loaded for bear, so I've got pretty much every tool that I own that I might possibly need. I've got another front cover in case I damage the other one coming off. I've got accessory drive pulley. I've got harmonic balancer down there. I've got extra nuts, extra bolts, penetrating oil, gloves, my impacts, extra batteries, chargers, whole bunch more tools down there, lights. I've got pry bars, I've got jacks, I've got all kinds of stuff in there. So, and then up here in the truck, I've got brand new accessory drive pulley seal, brand new crank seal for the outside on the cover. I've got O-rings, I've got the brand new front seal, ribbon gasket. I got the rear main seal for some reason in here. I don't know why that's in here, but so this is the culprit here. This is our problem child. Well, not this one, but this is the good one. Sorry about the pink fingernail polish there. My 4-year-old daughter wanted to give me a makeover the other day, and you know, how do you say no to your 4-year-old daughter? But yeah, so I'm pretty sure what happened is this gear stripped out on this shaft. And now that I think back about it a little bit, I've been hearing a little bit of whining when I first start the truck. So I'm wondering if that whining is this gear spinning on the shaft. So yeah, this is it. This is a known good pump. So when I say it's like a screw blower in there, it's just like a screw blower in there. Those gears are, you know, this long, and they spin on these two shafts, and that creates a suction, I guess, when it's sealed here and sealed here. It creates a suction, sucks the oil up here, shoots it out the back through the main oil rifle through the engine. So yeah, we're gonna get up there and get her, do what I can to get it swapped out. It's not gonna be a fun job. It was not even fun doing it on my spare engine in the garage, you know, and I had 90% of the front of it was already stripped down. I didn't have any pulleys left on it. It still had the harmonic balancer on it, and it still had the accessory drive that comes off the air compressor for the AC compressor. So, and it still took me just a little while to get that done. There's about 60 bolts and all kinds of stuff like that, and but I got it off, and we're gonna get her swapped out. It might take me a day, it might take me 2 days, I don't know, but it's got to get done. The driveway looks empty, and I don't like Purple not being home. So, well, I don't mind Purple not being home, but I like to be with Purple when she's not home. So we got to get her home. But I just want to give you all an update. The head gasket is fixed, but oil pump gave up on us. So we'll get her fixed, and I'll give you all an update when I get up there to Benton, Tennessee tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. really need to grow this channel. I finally got monetized. Yeah, congratulations to me. Congratulations to y'all. If it wasn't for y'all, then, you know, none of that would be possible. And I really hope to keep growing the channel. We're going to get through these hiccups in 2025, and we're going to get back rolling real soon. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye.